Today's video regarding HP DexJet printer, and I'm going to show you how to do the clean smear. So this is we can do using a HP Smart app. So make sure your printer is on and also it has A4 size sheets loaded in the paper tray. Go to the device, for example if you have an iPhone, Android phone, laptop or computer, open the HP Smart app and select your printer. So on the printer just click once. Look for the tool section. In that you have to click on the alignment and maintenance. Go to the cleanup and you will see clean smear. So it will remove buildup in the printer that can cause smearing on the printed pages. So click on the clean button. Now this may take some time, so we simply have to wait for the cleaning. So once it is done, you will see the print job has been sent. So click OK. So this way we can do the clean smear. Thanks for watching.